His childhood was a series of struggles to fight prejudice for being untouchable or Dalit. His teachers and other upper caste students would not allow him to sit near them. He was not allowed to touch the earthen pot to drink water. Yet he was not discouraged and continued to excel in academics. Yes, I'm talking about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, a great leader, jurist, economist, politician, social reformer, anthropologist, and a great writer, lovingly known as Baba Saheb. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was born to a poor Dalit father, Ramji Maluji Sakpal, and mother Bhimabai in a small Mao village of Madhya Pradesh. Nobody knew that time he would grow up to be a great leader. Every year, his birth date, 14th of April, is celebrated as Ambedkar Jayanti in India. Throughout his early life, Ambedkar was subjected to intense social discrimination, but his father, who had received some formal education, encouraged all his children to go through school. He had great interest in studies. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was married at an immature age of 14 with Ramabai. Dr. Ambedkar, however, continued his studies. He passed the intermediate examination with a good percentage of marks. He joined Alphiston College, Bombay, and obtained his degree there. The Maharaja of Baroda was highly impressed with his talents, and he awarded him scholarship for further studies. It helped him to go to America for higher education. In 1916, he obtained the postgraduate degree in economics. Then he started his career as a professor and served for 4 years. In 1923, he went to England to pursue higher studies. In England, he received the degrees of MSc in law and PhD. When he returned to India, he was appointed as military secretary at Baroda. But he left the job. Do you know why? Due to discrimination, and moved to Bombay. His caste, however, always stood in his way. Then he started practicing law. Now his main concern was to fight against untouchability. To put his plan into action, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar formed the Depressed Class Association and organized the so-called untouchables to initiate his fight for them. He started Temple Entry movement. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a vocal critic of capitalism and Brahmanism. He supported equality of opportunity. He was hurt at the plight of the laborers. He organized them under the banner of Swatantrata Mazdoor Dal. For the defense of Dalit rights, he started 5 periodicals: Mook Nayak, Bahishkrit Bharat, Samata, Janata, or Prabuddha Bharat, and got success to get 148 reserved seat for the depressed classes in the provincial legislature within the general electorates in 1932 through Pune Pact. Although his life, Dr. Ambedkar struggled for the upliftment of the weaker sections of society. He became the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution. He deeply studied the various constitutions of the world and took out their good points. He assimilated all those points in Indian Constitution. He is rightly called the founding father of Indian Constitution. After independence, he was made the law minister in the Union cabinet. Dr. Ambedkar was deeply hurt by the casteism prevalent in Indian society. Therefore, in the later stage of his life, he embraced Buddhism. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar died on 6th December 1956. He was honored with Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award of India. Many lessons we can learn from the life of our Baba Sahib, such as hard work, responsibility towards society, fight against injustice, desire for knowledge, confidence, and affirmative actions.